y'all doing? It's lagging here, and today I got another, well, my first PC build for you, and I'm gonna kick off my build with the AMD FX 8300. That's a through 8 core, clocked at 3.5 turbos to 4.0. Can easily be overclocked if you want. You can get a aftermarket cooler. I did not include one in the build because that would have took us over our budget, and our budget is actually it'll range anywhere between 600 and 620. I mean, not 625, but 650. But this one's at 626.93 mailed to your door. And we got the 8320, and also we got that in a combo package. As we got the Asus GeForce 660 Ti, and you get $15 off if you buy those both together. So that's the video card we have, a 660 Ti. For the motherboard, we got an MSI 990 FX GD65 V2, and it's a AM3 Plus socket, 990 FX chipset, and it's $115. And you also get 8 gigabytes of RAM for free. That's Crucial Ballistics Sports, I believe. You get that for free. And for the hard drive, I went Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 terabyte. I wanted to add an SSD, but like I said again, it's a little bit over budget. And the video card, we already said it's 660 Ti. And for the case, we have the NZX Source 210. It's the white one. It's on sale for $34.99, and you got a $10 mail-in rebate. And also, I forgot on that 660 Ti, you also get a $20 mail-in rebate. So that's really like paying like $220 for a 660 Ti. I mean, that's great. And for power supply, went with a Cooler Master GX 650. It's 80 plus bronze certified, and with that you get $20 off, and then you got a $35 mail-in rebate. It was originally priced at $94.99, but you end up getting it for $39.99 if I did my math correctly. And for the CD writer, DVD writer, we got an LG at $17, and also since we got the 1 terabyte, we also got that in the package with the WD Blue, and you get the DVD writer for basically $4 more. So you get a $13 off discount right there, and the total for that is $626.93 shipped to your door. And if you want to, I would add a Hyper 212 Evo for 30 more bucks, and probably a 60 gigabyte SSD for around $70, and that'll take it up to around $625, which isn't too bad. And you can run almost any game, ultra settings, on 1080p, any resolution below that. I'm running on 1360 times 680. I mean 768, and I'm running every game ultra with like 100 frames per second if I take off VSync. And that's your little PC build for the day. This is lagging now. Y'all stay true.